What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which as you can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Balenciaga Track V2s, but on top of that I'm also going to be showing you guys 3 different ways that I personally like to style them. You guys know that I'm a huge Balenciaga fan, so I've already got the white Balenciaga Track V1s. They're in like a bunch of my videos, you guys already know that, so I'm super excited to be bringing you guys the Balenciaga Track V2s, and like I've already said, kind of showing you like 3 different ways that I like to style them. But before we get into that, you all know what to do. Pause this video right now, go down below and absolutely smash that thumbs up button. Let's try and hit 120 likes. So smash that thumbs up button, and if you are new to the channel for this video, be sure to hit subscribe as well for more men's fashion content every single Thursday. Honestly guys, I am so gassed to be showing you these sneakers today because I absolutely love this colorway. I would probably say that this is my favorite colorway that is kind of available throughout the Balenciaga Track collection. So guys, here we have it. The Balenciaga Track V2s in the beige, black and white colorway. You all know that recently I've been absolutely loving beige tones, so I guess it was only right that if I am to get another pair of Balenciagas, I get it in this beige colorway. So in terms of how these actually differ to the Balenciaga Track V1s, they are ever so slightly smaller. So obviously, as you can see, they're still like a super big and chunky dad sneaker, but they are kind of comparing them to the Balenciaga Track V1s. They are ever so slightly smaller, and obviously being smaller, they're a little bit lighter as well. They also don't have as much padding kind of like in and around the cage of the sneaker. So if you can see here, you can kind of put your finger through the cage. Whereas if you compare that to the V1s, which I have here, so these are my all white V1s, and if you can see kind of in between the caging, you can still see that padding. Whereas on the V2s, like I said, you can kind of put your finger through that padding. And what that means is you can actually see whatever socks you're wearing through this. And at first, I didn't actually like that. When the V2s first dropped, I wasn't that much of a fan, to be honest. I didn't like the fact that you can kind of see your socks through it. But that's definitely grown on me. And to be honest, I low-key kind of prefer these. And then the next, I guess, most noticeable change is the fact that the V2s don't have the sizing on the toe, whereas if you compare that to the V1s, as you can see, the sizing 43 is stitched onto the toe. But yeah, I did kind of like that about the V1s. It was kind of Balenciaga's thing. But yeah, I would say that those were like the main changes and comparisons between the two. Now, I will of course get into my final thoughts on the Balenciaga Track V2s. But before we get into that, let's take a look at 3 different ways that I personally like to style them, starting with outfit number 1. So that was outfit number 1, guys. Super clean and minimal as always. But before we kind of move on to, I guess, outfit number 2, let's break that outfit down. As always, guys, the links to everything will be in the description down below if you do wish to check them out. So obviously we had the Balenciaga Track V2s on foot. Now, moving up from there, I couldn't miss out on the chance of pairing the beige Balenciaga Tracks with a pair of beige wide leg trousers. So these were my pair of choice, and these are actually from the Asos design collection and an absolute bargain at £30. So for anybody that is, I guess, maybe wanting to kind of get into more wide leg trousers, but maybe you're not wanting to spend a lot of money, I'd highly recommend that you check out the Asos design section. And then up from there, to kind of finish the outfit off, we went with this black oversized basic sweater, and this is from Summit UK. So you all know that I'm a big fan of this brand. I'm really enjoying the products, and this was, I guess, a great kind of like casual addition to the outfit. Now for reference, I'm 5'11". I actually went with a size extra large with this sweater, and it definitely gives me that kind of desired oversized look. And there we have it, guys. That was outfit number 1. Let's take a look at outfit number 2. Alright, so I couldn't film a Balenciaga styling video without kind of pairing them up with the Cole Buxton sweats, and that's exactly what I've done with this outfit, as you can see. So this is kind of like one of my go-to casual streetwear vibes. Now, you guys have seen these Cole Buxton joggers in a bunch of my videos, but honestly, still to this day, these are one of my best ever kind of like clothing purchases, hands down. Now again, guys, for reference with these, I actually went with a size large because I wanted to kind of ensure that they weren't overly skinny, like in the leg. So yeah, I'd normally go with like a size medium in terms of like my waist. I'm a 31 waist and like I said, 5'11". So I would normally kind of hover in the middle and go with a size medium, but I decided to kind of size up with these. I went with a size large, and in my opinion, these fit me perfectly. And then on top, I wanted to kind of keep with those wash tones. So I just had a plain white t-shirt, I tucked that in, and then I layered this kind of like boxy, oversized puffer jacket over the top of that. And again, this is from the Asos design section. As you can see, firstly, the color is so sick. It's like a washed out blue, which I absolutely love. Now, obviously, right now, it's not really like puffer jacket weather, but at the same time, I think it's always a good idea to maybe just have one in your wardrobe just in case. Now, with this particular jacket, I wanted to kind of emphasize that oversized fit. So with this, I actually went for a size extra large, and that also allows me to kind of layer underneath if I wanted to maybe add a hoodie or a sweatshirt. I've got room to do so. And that is that, guys, for outfit number 2. Let's take a look at outfit number 3. All right, and that was outfit number 3. So of course we have the Balenciaga Track V2s on foot. Do let me know, by the way, which do you prefer? Do you prefer these, the V2s, or do you prefer the V1s? Let me know in the comments down below. But like I said, we have the beige Balenciaga Track V2s on foot. And then moving up from there, we went with these black cropped wide leg trousers that are from Noak. These are available on Asos, and funny enough, these were my first ever kind of like wide leg trouser purchase back when I kind of switched up from the like spray on skinny jeans. So these are the Noak cropped wide leg pants. They're available on Asos and they are coming in at £40. Like I said, everything that I talk about in today's video, like all the items, they're going to be linked in the description down below. One thing that I would say is definitely check out Olive Clothing. They have such an insane collection of trousers. They are kind of slightly more expensive than the Asos trousers, but they have such a sick collection and a big variety as well. You know, different kind of colors, different fabrics, different fits. So yeah, definitely check out Olive Clothing. I'll link them in the description as well. I'm definitely planning on adding a few of them to my collection in the near future. And then moving up from there, again, just a simple basic white tee. You guys already know my kind of go-to when it comes to basic tees. This is the one. This is the Great Tee from Weekday. It is like super heavyweight. It's organic cotton, so super soft to touch, and it's just a bargain at £20. So the Weekday Great Tee is definitely my kind of recommendation when it comes to basic tees. And then over the top of that, we layered this like reclaimed vintage washed grey hoodie. Now, I get so many questions about this hoodie. This is a great, like, affordable alternative to the Cole Buxton warm-up hoodies. That being said, this is £40, a fraction of the price, but it definitely doesn't have that Cole Buxton quality. But with this coming in at £40, a very affordable option. And for reference, I went with a size extra large, as I always do with my hoodies, just to kind of ensure that like cozy oversized feel. And there we have it, guys. That was the third way that I personally like to style the Balenciaga Track V2s. Now, like I said before, guys, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, which do you prefer? Do you prefer the Balenciaga Track V1s, or do you prefer the Balenciaga Track V2s? Now, like I said a bit earlier on in the video, at first I was kind of leaning towards the V1s. However, to be honest, these are my go-tos. Either way, let me know in the comments down below which do you prefer, and also let me know which out of the 3 different outfits was your favorite. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you're new, drop a comment down below, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.